Hello, in front of me I have Motorola One Macro, and I'm gonna show you how to go through the first setup on this device. Let's start by selecting the language. To do it, just tap right here to open the list of languages, and now you can scroll up and down, find the language you like, and tap on it to select it. In our case, we're gonna select English. Now let's select the region, for example, United States. Down here we can tap on emergency call to call the emergency numbers, and we can also tap on version settings to access the settings for some features like magnification, font size, display size, select to speak, and talk back. Let's go back and tap on start. Now we can insert a SIM card, an SD card into our phone, but in our case we're gonna tap skip to skip this step. Here you can connect to Wi-Fi. You can also skip this step by tapping skip, but we're gonna connect to one. Now we can copy apps and data from Google account, but in our case we're gonna tap don't copy. Here you can log in into Google account. You can also skip this step by tapping skip right here. We're gonna log into one, so let's tap right here, enter the email address. And tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. Then tap next to continue. Here tap on I agree. Now we can turn on and off some of the Google services by tapping the slider next to them. And once you're done, scroll all the way down and tap on accept. Here we can set up a fingerprint lock or other screen lock methods if we want to, but we're gonna tap skip, skip again, and skip anyway. Now let's tap on next. Here tap on more, and now you can tap on I agree to continue with the Google Assistant setup if you want to, but we don't want it, so let's tap no thanks. And here we can add another email account, change the font size, change the wallpaper, review additional apps, and set up, I believe, face unlock. Let's tap no thanks. Here let's tap on accept and continue. Here you can subscribe to the newsletter if you want to by tapping the slider and entering the email address below, and then tap next. And at this point the setup is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.